Good morning, I am Rajesh Chaudhary, Management Representative, Hindustan Hydraulics. Hindustan Hydraulics, we are the largest manufacturer of CNC press brakes, CNC shearing machine and CNC fiber laser cutting machine. We are getting good response from our customers and we are very thankful for our users, new inquiries who visited us in this metal forming expo exhibition, Bombay. We are growing drastically and we are getting great orders. Even we are in exhibitions or we are at customer place or we are at our office. We are looking for another 20% of the growth every year and we are expanding our plant, as well as we are getting a great response from the customers who visited us, and this show is happened after many years in Bombay. Thank you very much for all the customers, users, and thanks for the exhibition, future events. Thank you so much.